responsible. Team effort, man.
Flashback.
All right, we're moving and grooving back out here. The Weaver job, Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. We are up to this point with our dimensional flagstone laying. So there's gonna be patio all the way out to about that point, and we gotta lay patio all the way back to the corner there where the bush is. So that'll be it for the dimensional.
Later.
Yep, it's a beautiful morning here and some other things to do, so we're getting a little bit of a later start, but I'm back. It's been a while.
It's been a long time.
We got our irregular flagstone going in around a fire pit. We'll finish that up here soon, and then travertine begins. Dun dun dun. All the way around. Greg got some cuts done. There's footage of that somewhere in the archives.
No, there isn't.
But let's take a walk on it. Had the boss man himself out here yesterday, edge-creating this beautiful cut line that Greg did. That came out real nice. So this job's moving along great. Like I said, CE Pont Sons.
1 week later.
We're back at the job. Coping and taller done. Pool is filled. Looks pretty good. We could start putting some base around the pool. Travertine. Flagstone is all done. The dimensional. The broken fire pit area. Decided to throw some travertine down. It's gonna really pop.
Many adorable hours later.
Not saying much, Bobby. Just giving you a peek at what's going on.
Just a peek!
Still got a good bit of travertine to lay yet, but it's coming along. It's looking good. Homeowner's happy. She wants us to stay here forever.
Forever.
But we can't do that. We gotta move on. Peace out.
4 to 6 days later.
I haven't done any video in a while, Bobby. Some work done since I last did a video.
What kind of work you do?
Kitchen in, Wes got some veneer done on the pillars, got the dimensional done, started the travertine. Dimensional goes the whole way around. We're gonna put in a shower right here, outdoor shower. Fire pit area is done, needs to be blocked up and veneered also. The flag is done. The hot tub came today. It's gonna get hooked up, I think tomorrow. Got a lot of cutting to do here, Bobby. A lot of cutting. My back's gonna hurt after that.
I broke my back. My back is broken. Spinal.
Homeowner's happy. She says she feels like she's in Greece.
Santorini, Greece.
Vacation.
I put it on the map.
She comes out her backyard, but definitely a major change. Looks good. I see the end of the light there.
That's true.
Or, I'm sorry, the light at the end of the tunnel, Bobby.
Much later.
All right, long time. No video here at Weaver, but it's a good day to get one. A lot of loose ends to tie up, but you can see the progress that's been made. We got a real nice hot tub that came in over here. We're gonna go get a closer look at that. Lighting right there. A bunch of boxes is gonna start going in. This flagstone we couldn't be happier with. We get that met up to the travertine. When we cut that real beautifully. Yeah, all the sod came in. Always an instant transformation with sod. Looking good over here on this side. Gotta get all our cuts in along the pool, along this edge. Some cobbles gotta go in here. But this is the beautiful cedar wrapped hot tub that came in last Thursday. Customers are happy, everybody's happy right now. Fire pit area was done by a handful of people, overseen by Greg. Fire pit still needs veneered and finished. But we're coming along here, inching closer to the end. A little gray, a little gloomy here in Lancaster County, but you know, you take the good with the bad.
1 day later.
Alrighty, y'all, a little update here. Early morning rising on a Tuesday. Back on this beautiful job here, northern Lancaster County. We got a couple things to do today. Trying to wrap this project up by the end of this week. So we're going to cut in the skimmer box there into the travertine. And over here, we're gonna cut in a volleyball anchor hole. Those guys. Over here, Eric is getting ready to do some nitro around the drains. Maybe just a little bit along the cobbled edge here as well. Got to level up one little paver there. Gonna drill in our diving board holes so these pieces drop in. We can put the diving board back in. And then just some planning to do. Some broken flagstone to throw back there. A little more nitro here in this crack along this edge. And before you know it, this amazing project is going to be considered finished on our end. She's a beauty. A lot of hours, a lot of hard work. She looks good. She's really, really looking good. She looks good.
You are so beautiful.
Today with CE Pond. My voice.
Do you like me? If you do, please say.